Take a ride in 2015 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.